Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to mark all messages as read in Google Messages. Now, Google Messages has found this interesting way for you to mark all messages as read in quick and easy steps. Now, prior to now, there was no built-in feature to mark all messages as read. All you needed to do was to just long press a message and click on the three dots menu right next to it and select mark as unread and repeat the same, mark as read and repeat the same for all of the chats manually. But now Google Messages has just made it a lot more easier. And how do you do that? Go ahead and launch your Google Messages app. After you have launched it, the next step is to click on your profile picture or your initials at the top right corner of your screen. And it's going to take you to this window where you have a couple of options here. You have your profile, you have archived, you have spam and blocked, you have mark all as read, you have device pairing, you have your data in messages, you have message settings, you have help and feedback. So from those options, all you need to do is to click on mark all as read. Then it says all messages have been marked as read. It's that simple. It's that simple. So if you want to mark all as read, if you want to mark all as unread, you can just go ahead and click on, no, not the magnifying lens. You can go ahead and click on your profile picture again, and it says mark all as read. So just mark all as read. You can go for the mark all as read. So all has been marked as read. All messages marked as read. So now it just really makes it easier for you to manage from here. Okay, so from here you can just go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.